All right, today, Brad, we're going to show the people out there
Yes.
how to correct neck hump
Ooh.
or hunchback.
Yeah. Like the Hunchback of Notre Dame.
Very
Is
good.
it Notre Dame?
Yep,
Yeah.
Notre Dame.
Very good. Okay, very good. It's nothing to kid around with, but we can show you some things to help you out.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
All right, a neck hump occurs because of bad posture. Same with hunchback.
Right. So we're here, head forward, head
Yep.
forward, all the classic things we talk about.
What happens after a while, number 7, the seventh cervical vertebrae,
Mm-hmm.
actually begins to protrude, just like this. And
And that happens to be the one, if you feel back there, there's always one
right,
that
a big bump.
big bump there, and that's C7 right above T1, the thoracic.
And the body, being as amazing as it is,
Yes.
after a while will lay down fat over it. So you'll feel a fat pad over it.
Right.
It's
Which-
not very attractive.
And the hump starts, and then, you
Right.
know, it goes on and
And
on.
you could have pain with it too.
Sure.
So
And this doesn't happen in a week or two, but over
A long
months or
time.
years of poor posture.
all right, we'll show you exercise number 1. All right, the first exercise is really simple, Brad.
Sure.
What you're going to do is get a clean sock, roll it up.
So you might need 2 or 3 socks,
And-
depending if you
yeah,
got the knee high or not.
Right. And what you want to do is it's going to provide a counter force.
Mm-hmm.
So you're actually going to try to bend it back. And the thing about a sock, it's really comfortable.
Sure.
So it's a good thing to start with. The first thing we'll show you, we'll show you on the mat or on a bed or
Sure.
on the floor.
Yep.
Well, it would be on the floor.
Yeah, we really wouldn't do it on anything
So you
soft.
put it right over the spot, and you bring your head down. If you can't get down, you can work on chin tucks while you're in this position.
Right. Get the back of the head to try to touch the floor while you maintain that posture. Show them the wrong way to do it that some people might, where you actually look forward or look back. So you really want to focus. And I want to emphasize this sock roll needs to be kind of rolled up tight.
Right.
You need to have a firmness there so you get that force appropriately.
Next, we'll show it in the chair.
A chair, absolutely. So in a chair, and you need to have a high back chair that fits appropriately.
The car works well.
Yeah, you bet. You put the sock right here at the appropriate level, and then you just do the stretch and watch how that helps straighten the spine out, like that, and like that. So I'll demonstrate now the real thing. Okay, there, right in the center. There we go. And a firmer chair helps if it flops back, and you'll still do it. You work with it, but so I'm going to do my chin tucks. Oops, it's a little bit high. You'll feel it. You'll feel when it's in the right location. Chin tuck.
I have famously done this for 20 years in
Yeah.
my car.
Yeah.
People wonder what the heck I'm doing.
I do remember that jumping in. You had that little car. Your head was like sticking to the
Subaru.
into this. Yeah, and he put this behind his head, and I, what?
What's he doing?
Yeah. So he explained it to me, and then I just shook my head and said, "Let's go." No, but it is
Yeah,
effective.
my kids just shake that too.
But it works, and
Right.
it worked for your son, didn't it?
Yep,
Yeah.
and my daughter.
Yeah, it's a genetic thing, I guess, in the family. All right, we got another one coming up.
All right, this one, Brad, is just an advanced version of what we just did.
Sure.
So I took 3 tennis balls
Yep.
and put them in the sock. So it's a lot harder.
Right. Harder and thicker.
Right.
Right.
Now this works in my car because I have kind of a dip
Yep. I
So,
know what you mean.
that fills in the gap. But it'll also work on a bed
Sure.
because the bed is too soft.
Yep.
So
If you're a bigger person, you probably get to this, and this may not be enough
Right.
right away. It all depends on how your body is formed. Okay, so after you've used the sock technique and stretched things out, and you got more range of motion, neck hump's getting better, you need to strengthen muscles to maintain that posture. So you lie prone, you can do this probably best on a carpeted floor. bring your hands like Bob has, elbows up, and he's going to try and lift his head and his whole chest up off of the floor. And this strengthens all these postural muscles right in here to help maintain that posture we're working for, getting rid of that neck hump. Do 10 repetitions, and you may start out with only 5 and build up to 10. Hold it for 1 second or so while you're up there like Bob is doing. It's pretty aggressive, so take your time with this.
All right, Brad, that's the top 3. Remember, we can fix about anything
except for
a broken arm.
Right. And these socks, we got nothing going here.
Oh, sorry.
No crossover.
We got nothing.
Oh, they're over there, Bob.
Oh, we got
sorry
none.
about that. Whoa.
What a throw.